Good afternoon. Today I'm excited to talk about one of my favorite AWS services, AWS Bedrock. As an AI/ML engineer, I've worked with different AI tools, but Bedrock stands out as the future of AI development, and today we'll see why. First, we'll look at AWS. Now, what is AWS? Imagine you want to start a company, but instead of building your own servers, storage, and databases, you can just rent them from Amazon. That's what AWS does. Amazon Web Service is a cloud computing platform that provides different services. Some of the most popular ones are EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. Think of this as renting a virtual computer instead of buying one. S3 Bucket. A simple storage service is like a Google Drive but for companies. Third is RDS, Relational Database Services. It's a managed database system, so businesses don't have to worry about setting up databases from scratch. Fourth is SageMaker. This is a tool for training and deploying AI models. Now, AWS is huge. It operates in 33 geographic regions, meaning businesses from anywhere can use its services. Now, third, now, the, now what is GenAI? How is GenAI different from traditional AI? Now, to understand why AWS Bedrock is so powerful, we first need to understand GenAI and how it differs from traditional AI. Traditional AI solves problems based on existing data. It is designed to analyze data and make decisions based on patterns and classify information, but it does not generate new content. Whereas Gen AI creates something new. It goes beyond analysis. It creates new content, text, images, and even code from patterns it has learned. Now, here's where AWS Bedrock comes in. Before Bedrock, companies had to train their own AI models to generate content. This was expensive and required advanced AI expertise. Challenges before AWS Bedrock. Before AWS Bedrock, developing AI models was like building a car from scratch. It was time consuming. Training AI models can take months or even years. It was expensive. Companies had to buy expensive hardware and hire expert data scientists. Third, it was difficult to deploy. Even after development, integrating AI into application can take a long time. Imagine a startup wants to build an AI chatbot for customer support. Without AWS Bedrock, they would have to hire AI experts, gather massive amounts of data, and train a model from scratch, costing millions of dollars, and most startups and businesses can't afford it. Enter AWS Bedrock. Now, what if I told you that instead of building AI from scratch, you can just plug and play? That's exactly what Bedrock does. AWS Bedrock is a fully managed service that provides high quality pre-trained AI models so businesses don't need to build their own. It eliminates these challenges by providing pre-trained GenAI models from leading AI providers like Amazon Titan, Anthropic, and Cohere. Businesses can simply choose a model, fine-tune it with their data, and integrate it into their apps without writing complex code. This makes AWS Bedrock a game changer because it makes GenAI accessible to everyone, not just AI experts. Now, benefits of AWS Bedrock. Imagine you're a company looking to use AI. Here's what Bedrock offers. Pre-trained models. No need to build AI from scratch, just use the existing models. It's cost effective, pay as you go pricing. It's scalable. If your business grows, Bedrock can handle the extra workload. Security and compliance, AWS grade production. Choice of models. You can choose from different models for your different needs, and seamless AWS integration because it works well with other AWS services. Now, let's say Netflix wants to recommend movies using AI. Instead of spending years training a model, they can use AWS Bedrock to get recommendations up and running in days. The power of foundational models. Now, what are foundational models? These are AI models that can perform multiple tasks. So now let's look at some real world examples of these. Text generation. A marketing agency can use AI to write ad copies in seconds. Second is image generation. Any e-commerce site can generate product mockups. Third is chatbots. Banks can use AI powered chatbots to answer customer queries instantly. AWS has another AI service called SageMaker. But how does it compare to Bedrock? AWS Bedrock is a ready to use AI model service, whereas AWS SageMaker is a full AI development, building, training, and deploy customer AI models service. It requires coding and ML expertise, whereas Bedrock is a low code plug and play service. AWS Bedrock is good for businesses that need AI fast and cheap. And AWS SageMaker is for AWS services is for AI engineers who need custom models. Bedrock can be thought of as a pre-built Lego set, whereas SageMaker as a box of loose Lego bricks where you have to build from scratch. As I said, Bedrock is great for businesses that want AI solutions without technical complexity, while SageMaker is better for AI experts who need full customization. Now, a technical deep dive. Let's say an e-commerce company wants to add an AI chatbot. Here's how they'd use AWS Bedrock. Data ingestion. Upload customer data logs to AWS S3 bucket. Model selection. Choose an AI model like Amazon Titan. Fine tune it. Customize the model with company specific data. Connect the AI to the knowledge base for better responses. And then chatbot integration. Deploy the chatbot on their website and mobile app. In short, Bedrock simplifies the AI journey from data collection to deployment. Now, revolutionizing customer service with AI. This is a real life scenario. Imagine you're managing customer support at Zomato or Amazon, handling thousands of queries daily. The biggest challenge? Long wait times, overwhelmed agents, and inconsistent service. Enter AWS Bedrock. With AI powered chatbots, businesses can automate common queries, provide instant 24/7 support with personalized responses, and free up human agents for complex issues. Quantifiable results. Companies using AWS Bedrock have seen major improvements in customer service. Let's look at some key results. Companies using Bedrock see 40% fewer support tickets, 60% faster resolutions, and 25% higher customer satisfaction. These numbers show how powerful Bedrock can be for businesses. Now, some real world examples of AWS Bedrock. AWS Bedrock is just a concept. It isn't just a concept, it's already being used in industries worldwide. Let's look at some examples. Customer support, content generation, where news websites using AI to write summaries, document summarization, lawyers using AI to scan legal documents, healthcare, AI helping doctors transcribe patient notes, virtual assistants and smart search, find the answers you need instantly. Even industries like finance, gaming, and education are benefiting from AWS Bedrock. To wrap up, AWS Bedrock is changing the way businesses use AI. It removes the complexity, reduces costs, and speeds up AI adoption. Instead of spending years building AI, companies can now integrate it in weeks. Thank you. Now, why I chose Bedrock and not SageMaker? Because SageMaker is great for building custom AI models. It requires deep ML expertise and coding. But as an AI ML engineer, what's more important is that AWS Bedrock is making AI more accessible, allowing businesses to integrate AI quickly without the complexity of training models. It aligns perfectly with the future of AI, one where AI is simple to use, scalable, and seamlessly integrated into everyday applications.